The Phoenicopterus ruber, commonly known as the flamingo. These are social creatures living and breeding in large colonies. Unfortunately, they are also one of the most brutally suicidal creatures in the wilderness. Self-drownings have become frequent. Sadly, the flamingo falls prone to alcohol and drug addictions, resulting in deadly seizures from drug overdoses. Suicidal flamingos are also very violent and can become abusive to others at times. They will commonly engage in self-destructive behaviors. If you know of a flamingo that may be feeling suicidal, don't wait. Have them call the Flamingo Suicide Hotline immediately, or it could be the last call they never make.